Good vibe in a bad situation. That from Chris Martin, summing up the impact of Instagram Live in the era of COVID-19, as well as that of his latest hit, Big Big.
Man, big, big, big. Car big, big, big. House big.
Musicians, like everyone else, reeling from the fallout from COVID-19. No one saw it coming.
I never felt like I would have seen something like this that affects everything and everywhere at the same time.
No one's traveling, but what about daily routines?
I'm watching a lot more TV. Yeah, I'm going on TV, I'm going on series, I'm on Netflix. Yeah, everybody's either on Ozark right now or Money Heist. You know, I'm watching almost every anime I can find right now as well. You know, spending a lot more time looking on them. Yeah, and I'm on social media a lot more. I'm just like scanning through everybody live, and it's like a party, you know. You go in a live, you see a party I go on, and you shoot a comment, you say, "Battle girl to my section right now, I'm buying 10 cases of champagne," and it's a vibe. You understand? And people say, "Sing, are you there?" Yeah, you know, and you hold a vibe, and you go to our next party, because that's the energy right now. As it relates to like with the fans now and supporters. It's Instagram Live is the way to go right now, you understand? Because you have to keep abreast with the people who support you. They want to see what you're doing still. How are you coping with everything that is happening? What are you doing? What do you do on a daily basis still? So, you know, it kind of brings you closer where in which a lot of people didn't use the medium so much. Like, they realize that, yeah, it's very important to ensure that the people who support you stay up with you.
Chris going live from his home 2 weeks ago as the opening salvo in the COVID-19 telethon that followed a week later. The virus opening new avenues of interaction for both entertainers and fans.
People who used to just go live and they just talk and then they come off. Now they're interacting with fans. You understand? People calling, they're answering, and you know. So the normal person would just be like, yeah, mega check out my favorite artist right now and say, all right, let me request, see if they would answer. They're actually answering now. You know, so it's a good vibe in a bad situation.
Is there, you think, a climate of fear out there? Are people really on edge? Are they scared?
People scared, man. 100%. There is a big climate of fear. You can actually see where individuals want to stay far away from each other. You understand? Even like close friends. Like I have very close friends, and this is the deal. You understand? I just run joke and we use a foot. But at the end of the day, the whole personal kind of vibe, the this are, you know, we kind of keep it on a level right now, because we understand the seriousness of what is happening.
The drive for me, have the ambition within. Make me tell you straight, nobody gonna tell me nothing. All of my friends, them would have rich long time, got from me rich, them rich too.
Chris's current hit, Big Big, released late last year. Another serving of feel-good affirmative music and something of an antidote to COVID-19 negativity.
Big up Chimney Records, big up Jordan, big up Easy. Jamaica blessed, you know? Despite everything, we're very blessed. And I feel like we as a people, we understand that and we take it for granted sometimes. But at the end of the day, with a song like Big Big now, you know, it gives people a chance to just reflect on everything that they've been through and everything that's happening now, and just know, say, big business are going.
And big is a word you seem to kind of reach for a bit in a couple of your songs.
Yeah, I have about 3 songs with the word big in it, you know what I mean? And all of them work, you know, but yeah. I think the last one this though. So yeah, as I said, it's feel good music, and whatever makes you feel good, you're gonna rock with it. You understand? You're gonna support it, and I've always been on that kind of path. You know, I never tried to swing with the pendulum. You know, I was never one of those people. I was never one of those people who run down the trends and everything. You understand? I've grown to understand what people expect from me and what people love me for. So, you know, why change a good thing?
And 5 years down the road, it's not going to necessarily be stale, because, I mean, you can translate that energy into any sort of time frame.
I appreciate that. That is the exact same way I view myself and how I view my path. And it'll work.
No avoiding the impact of coronavirus, but music providing an avenue of escape along with the messaging that sometimes falls on deaf ears.
rivet it in the minds of the people. Stay home if you don't have to go anywhere, you understand? Safe hands are clean hands. Just implement whichever kind of vibe you can help the people with, because some people, they won't listen to the government, but they listen to their favorite entertainer when they say something, you understand? So I just feel like we should be more vocal and just let the people understand that we're here, you understand? And they need us just as much as we need them. And in this time, there's no better time for you to kind of show your class and show your stature in the industry.
Big words there from Chris Martin. Even as a spike in cases traced to a BPO in Portmore triggers fresh fears of the virus spreading in Jamaica.
Willing to listen real done in a land, man, a lion, some boy a kitten, man. Big, car big, house big, I'm a gal them, man.